My name is Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl, and I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about how to attract, date, seduce, get, and keep the women you want in 60 seconds or less. So here is my wing girl minute for this week. When talking to women, it's not about what you say that makes them want you or feel attraction, it's about how you say it. To be honest, I don't even listen to half the things that men say to me when they're hitting on me. What I pay attention to is their body language, how they carry themselves, and their character, which comes across when they speak. If you line up 10 guys in front of me and have them all say the same line, I'm going to have a different reaction to each of them. One guy I might want to pounce on and make sweet love to, and another guy I'll want to punch in the face. A couple of others I'll feel bad for and just, want to hold them and hug them and introduce them to anybody else but me. The reason for this is because, once again, it's not about what you say, it's about how you say it that matters. Don't believe me? Well then believe UCLA researchers that did a study that showed 93% of all communication between people is nonverbal. Yes, nonverbal. So if you want to attract women, stop learning lines and routines that aren't really you. Work on how you present yourself and the way you view yourself. This will have much more of an impact on women than any freaking pickup line. And that's my Wing Girl Minute. For more tips on how to attract, date, seduce, and get any girl you want, go to winggirlmethod.com or check out my other videos right here on YouTube.